Third question. An observer standing at the distance of 30 meters from the foot of a tree observes its top at an angle of elevation of 60 degrees. Draw a suitable diagram for this situation. So here the AB is the tree and observer, the distance between foot of the tree to observer is 30 meters. The angle of elevation from observer to top of the tree is 60 degrees. Here AB is the height of the tree, BC is the distance between foot of the tree and observer. Angle 60 degrees is the angle of elevation to the top of the tree. Okay, the next question. Express cot theta in terms of sin theta. We know that cot theta is equal cos theta by sin theta. We can convert that cos theta into sin theta terms. Already we know that the identities sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal 1. We can transpose this sin square theta to RHS side. It will become minus. Cos square theta is equal 1 minus sin square theta. We should apply the root for both sides. So the root and square is cancelled here. Cos theta is equal under root 1 minus sin square theta. So we substitute where cos theta, we substitute under root 1 minus sin square theta. So cot theta is equal under root 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. Next, fifth question. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, if AD is equal to x, DB is equal to x minus 1, AE is equal to x plus 2 and EC is equal to x, then find the value of x. According to basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, DE parallel to BC, then the ratio AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. From that we substitute the values. AD is equal to x, DB is equal to x minus 1, AE is equal to x plus 2, EC is equal to x. Should take a cross multiplication. X into x, x square, x minus 1 into x plus 2, x square plus 2x, x into x, x square, x into 2x, 2x, minus 1 into x, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. So transpose to x square to this side, it will become minus. So x square cancel, x minus 2 is equal 0. So this minus 2 transpose to this side, x is equal 2. The next question, 6. Write one example each of sure event and impossible event. So sure event means rolling a dice getting the number between 1 to 6 is sure event. And impossible event, rolling a dice getting the number more than the 6 is impossible event. Section 2. From 7th question, from the given Venn diagram, find the sets A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A. If we observe the Venn diagram, the elements in A is A, B, L, G, E, R. In the B, elements G, E, R, O, M, Y, T. So A union B means we should combine all the elements. So this is A union B. So A intersection B means common elements we should write. Here G, E are the common elements. In A minus B we should remove that are present in B that are present in A, or we should remove from A. The remaining elements are A, B, L. And B minus A. Here we should remove the elements present in B, present in A. So GER present in B, present in A. So we can remove GER. The remaining elements G, M, O, M, Y, T. O, M, Y, T. This is the B minus A. Next, 8th question. Write the formula for finding the nth term of an arithmetic progression and explain each term in it. Solution. The arithmetic progression nth term is an is equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an means nth term, n means number of terms, a means first term, d means common difference. Next, 9th question. A bag contains 5 red balls, 3 black balls and 2 white balls. If one ball is selected at random from the bag, find the probability of getting a red ball and not getting a red ball. So here how many total balls are 10 and how many red balls are there? 5 red balls, 3 black balls and 2 white balls. Number of red balls 5, number of black balls 3, number of white balls 2. Total balls are 10. So probability of getting red ball is equal number of favorable outcomes by total possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes are 10. Number of favorable outcomes means here red balls. So red balls are 5. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 1 by 2. Probability of getting red ball is 1 by 2. Probability of getting not white balls. So number of not white balls are 5 red and 3 black. Total 8 balls. So favorable outcomes are 8 and total outcomes are 10. So 8 by 10 means 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja. 4 by 5 is the probability of not getting white balls. Next, 10th question. If P is equal under root 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta, then show that P plus 1 by P is equal to sec theta. Here we should first rationalize the denominator. In this denominator 1 minus sin theta is there. We should multiply both numerator and denominator with under root 1 plus sin theta by under root 1 plus sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta whole square. This is 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Here this is a plus b into a minus b form. So a plus b into a minus b is equal a square minus b square. So we can write this under root 1 square minus sin square theta. Here square root cancel. 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta whole square. So square root cancel అయిపోతుంది. So 1 plus sin theta by under root 1 square minus sin square theta. 1 square means 1. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta. We can write here 1 minus sin square theta is equal cos square theta. Here square root cancel. 1 plus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. This is P is equal 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Next P plus 1 by P is equal, P means 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 by P means cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. Reciprocal we can write. Cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. So here we can is LCM. Cos theta into 1 plus sin theta is the LCM. So cos theta, once it will remove cos theta, then 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta whole square. Here 1 plus sin theta 1 plus sin theta. So cos theta remain cos theta into cos theta cos square theta. So here a plus b whole square form it is. So a square 1 square means 1 sin square theta plus 2ab, 2 into a means 1, 2 1 are 2 into sin theta, 2 sin theta plus cos square theta. So here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin theta by cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Here 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 sin theta by cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Here we can take 2 as common. 2 into 1 plus sin theta by cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Here 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta cancel. 2 by cos theta. 2 by cos theta means what? 1 by cos theta is equal to what? 1 by cos theta is equal sec theta. Sec theta. So here 2 by cos theta means 2 sec theta. So hence proved. Next 11th question. The roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are such that one root is twice the other. Show that 2b square is equal to 9ac. Here in quadratic equation ax square, if the quadratic equation, how many roots will be there? 2 roots. One is alpha and another one is beta. So here one root is twice the other root. So let one root is alpha and another root is 2 alpha. So sum of roots is equal alpha plus 2 alpha, that is equal to sum of roots is equal minus b by a. So alpha plus 2 alpha is equal minus b by a. Alpha plus 2 alpha, 3 alpha. 3 alpha is equal minus b by a. We can take this 3 to this side. It will divide minus b by 3a. This is the first equation. In product of roots, alpha into beta. Here alpha means alpha and beta means 2 alpha. Alpha into 2 alpha, 2 alpha square. So product of zeros is equal what? C by a. So 2 alpha square is equal c by a. So transpose to this side, alpha square is equal to c by 2a. This is equation 2. Substitute equation 1 in equation 2. So where alpha is equal minus b by 3a. Here alpha means minus b by 3a whole square is equal to c by 2a. So minus b whole square means b square. 3 square means 9a square. C by 2a, cross multiplication. 2ab square divided 9a square c. Here a cancel. 2b square is equal 9ac. So hence proved. Hence proved. Next 12th question. A hemispherical tank of radius 3 meter is full of water. The water is to be transferred into small cylindrical containers, each of radius 1 meter and height 2 meters. Find the number of cylinders needed. So we should the hemispherical tank filled with water. We should transfer the water into small cylinders. So we should divide the volume of hemispherical tank by the volume of cylinder. So here volume of hemisphere means 2 by 3 pi r cube. And what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Here radius are different, so the radius of hemisphere is r1 and the radius of cylinder is r2. Here given the radius of r1 is equal to 3 meters and radius of cylinder is 1 meter. Substitute the values in this formula. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here 3 means radius of the hemisphere. Here 1 means radius of the cylinder, r square into h. H means 2 meters. So 3 cancel, 2 into 3 by 2. 2 cancel. Here 3 into 3 9. So number of cylindrical containers is equal to 9. Next section 3. Prove that 3 root 5 plus 2 root 7 is an irrational number. Let us assume 3 root 5 plus 2 root 7 is rational. So 3 plus root 5 plus 2 root 7 is equal A by B, because we are assuming this is rational. So A and B are co-primes. Then next, squaring on both sides, this side and this side, A 3 root 5 plus 2 root 7 whole square is equal A by B whole square. This is in the form of A plus B whole square. So we can write A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here A means 3 root 5, B means 2 root 7, 2AB is equal B square by A square by B square. Here 3 square means 9, root 5 square means 5, 2 square means 4, root 7 square means 7. So 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 5 7 ja 35. 12 root 35 is equal to A square by B square. Here 9 5 ja 45 plus 4 7 ja 28 plus 12 root 15 is equal to A square by B square. Should add this both. 73 plus 12 root 35 is equal to A square by B square. So transpose this 73 to this side will become minus A square by B square is equal to minus 73. So here is the LCM B square. So B square 1 is B square, 1 into A square minus 1 into B square into 73 B square. Transpose 12 to this side, root 35 is equal to A square minus 73 B square by B square. Here 35 is irrational, A square minus 73 B square by B square is rational. So this contradicts the truth, root 35 is irrational. So our assumption is wrong. 3 root 5 plus 2 root 7 is irrational. So next 14th question, draw the graph of the quadratic polynomial P of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 4 and find its zeros from the graph. Here we know that here have arranged this manner, x square minus 3x minus 4, this is the y value and this is x and y. So here I have taken 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3. So here x square 4 square 16, x square means minus 3 square 9, minus 2 square 4, minus 1 square 1, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, minus 3x, minus 3 into 4, 3 4 ja 12, minus 12, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 3 into 0, 0, minus 3 into plus 1, minus 3, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, minus 3 into 3, minus 9. This is constant terms. So we can add this 16 minus 12 minus 4, that will become 0. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 minus 4, 14. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 minus 4, 6. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. 0 plus 0, 0 minus 4, minus 4. 1 minus 3, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. 4 minus 6, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. 9 minus 9, 0, minus 4 remain. So we can take the points, these points, and we can draw the graph. The intersecting points x-axis are minus 1 and 4. So then the zeros of the polynomial are x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 1. Next 15th question. Find the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points minus 4 comma 3 and 5 comma 9. So solution, here AB is the line segment, the point which is divides the point which is divides in trisectional point is x comma y. It divides AB 2:1 ratio, and here AB, this xy divides the AB in 1:2 ratio. We can find 2:1 ratio and 1:2 ratio. We can use the section formula. So here section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. The point divides the line segment 2:1 or 1:2 ratio. If we take 1:2 ratio, a is equal a point minus 4 comma 3, b point 5 comma 9, x comma y. We can substitute the all values in this formula. We get that minus 1 comma 5. So and if the points divides the line segment in 2:1 ratio, we will substitute m1 is equal to 2, m2 is equal to 1. Then we will get the answer 2 comma 7. The point minus 1 comma 5 divides the line segment in 1:2 and 2 comma 7 divides the line segment in 2:1 ratio. Next, find the mean. You can find there is not given any type, so we can find any type, any method, direct method or step deviation method or deviation method. It is easy to find that step deviation method is easy, so calculation purpose it is very easy. So I am taking here step deviation method. We should find first the class mark. This is the class mark, the mid values of the class intervals. We will get that class marks and di values. Di means xi minus a. Should take any xi value as a. I am taking here a is 35. So I subtracted that. We will get this di values. Then we should divide with h. We will get ui values. So h means the class size is 10. So we should divide minus 30 by 10, minus 3, minus 20 by 10, minus 2, minus 10 by 10, minus 1, 0 by 10, 0, 10 by 10, 1, 20 by 10, 2, 30 by 10, 3, 40 by 10, 4. So then fi ui, fi into ui. This is fi values and this is ui values. 3 into minus 3, minus 9. 6 into minus 2, minus 12, 7 into minus 1, minus 7, 12 into 0, 0, and 9 into 1, 9, 5 into 2, 10, 6 into 3, 18, 2 into 4, 8. So, you should add these values. So, we will get sigma fi ui, sigma fi ui, sigma fi ui is equal to 7 and sigma fi is equal to 50. The formula for finding that step deviation method, finding the mean, a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Here a means 35 and sigma fi ui is equal to 7 and sigma fi is equal to 50 into h class size is 10. So 10 ones are 10 5s are. We should divide 17 with 5. We will get 3.4. So 35 plus 3.4, 38.4. This is the mean of the given data. Next question, constructing the similar triangles. So they have given the sides of the, first construct the triangle ABC, then we can draw a acute angle. They were given 5:3 ratio. 5:3 ratio means we should divide that line into 5 equal parts. So then we can join A3 to B. Then extend this AB to, extend that AB and join A5 to B dash. Join a parallel to A3B. Join a line parallel to A3B. Then draw from B dash to C dash. This A dash, B dash, C dash is the similar triangle what we have required.